Good morning, students. Let's start with the short answers of lesson 6. So here comes the first question. Give two examples where expansion and contraction of metals is used. So here comes the answer. Two examples where expansion and contraction of metals is used are, come to new line, first point, to cover the wooden wheels of bullock carts with iron rims. Now again come to new line, start with the second point, to fit wooden handle on tools like spades and plows. Now next question, chemical changes are irreversible. Justify the statement by giving two examples. Let's start with its answer. Chemical changes are irreversible. For example, come to new line, put first heading, curdling of milk. Now write its explanation. In this process, milk is changed into a new substance called curd, which cannot be converted back to milk. Full stop. Now again come to new line, put another heading, boiling of an egg. After boiling an egg, comma, it cannot be changed back to its raw form. Come to third question. Give an example of a change caused by mixing of things. Write its answer. An example of change caused by mixing of things is mixing of sugar and water to form sugar solution. Now leave one line after every answer. Make sure leave one line after every answer. Now come to the fourth question. Why is melting of butter said to be a physical and reversible change? Write its answer. Melting of butter is a physical and reversible change because butter melts on heating and on cooling. It becomes solid again. Full stop. So here we have done short 4 answers of lesson 6.